That's one style. And then you have like
that you really want to express in that moment, and then you
I like the fact that you look a little nervous and anxious, and I always feel like when a person is in that state, they tend to be more authentic. And I love the fact that when people see someone in that state, you're coming from a true space. And I much rather a personality or a person say, you know, I'm not used to being in front of a camera. I'm used to producing music. I would much rather deal with that than an actual script itself, someone who is scripted, because people who are scripted are predictable.
ways you can play the instrument. Like one is where you have this kind of Billy Jean.
Light tends to make an object pop, and darkness tends to ground the object. And you see that commonality in music. Like primarily in the 1-4-5 blues progression. You see that? That's a poor